So comment down below what this looks like, because you know this don't look right.
No, it's not like picking up dog poop. She's like, no. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're with my mom. We're going to be making some sugar cookies. So we're gonna make some sugar cookies and we're going to decorate them. So I found a video online on how to make these, so I'll leave that link down below. But if you want to see how we figure out how to decorate. So these are the ingredients for the dough. So we have 4 cups of flour, we have 1 cup of butter, we have 1/3 cup of cornstarch, 2 eggs, 1 cup of sugar. We're gonna put some vanilla extract, but you know, Dominican style. And then we have a sifter, because we got a big bowl to mix everything in, and a hand mixer because this is what we got. So we're gonna put the butter first. Put the butter and the cup of sugar, and we're supposed to mix this. I don't know how this is gonna work. Oh, it's working, it's working. So we're supposed to blend this or mix this until it becomes nice and fluffy, and then we can add the rest of our wet ingredients and then add our flour. So now we're gonna add the wet. My mom's gonna crack the eggs. Okay, so now we're going to add some vanilla. Ponle, no sé. Just tírale, échale ya.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good? Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna switch roles, and now we're going to add the dry to the wet. Press that out. Okay, so I'm gonna start sifting the flour while she starts. I'm not sure if this is how it's like. I don't know.
I think it looks like sand. It really looks like sand.
Oh no, it's smoke.
The expert.
It does not look like what it's supposed to look like.
That is sand.
Maybe we need to keep mixing. I don't know. Or maybe we need another egg. It's supposed to be like Play-Doh, Mom. Maybe a little bit of milk. All right, so this is not in the recipe, but I think we're gonna have to add some milk because esto no se ve bien. Like it's. I don't know. The milk.
Maybe you should look okay. You're cleaning it?
Okay. Well, just to dust it, right? Well, I guess let's get it into a ball first. Echo, Alexa, stop! Before I get copyrighted.
Oh, that looks smooth.
Put it there. I don't know what I'm doing.
Oh.
They're usually really flat when they put it in the fridge.
Usually. Okay.
Parece un dulce. Oh, right, un dulce de leche. Yeah. All right. We're gonna put this in the fridge for 20 minutes, and then we're gonna get the icing ready. Okay, so for the icing, it was a little expensive to get the decorating thing. There's just like these little pouches. So what we're going to use is white frosting. I was thinking of adding water to it, or milk, to make it a little bit more watery. So we're gonna use food coloring. We're gonna have 3 colors. We're gonna mix them. We're gonna have white, red, and green. And then we're gonna cut a little hole here so that we could get it on and decorate. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so this is what we got. We have some silver, we've got some blue, we got some red and green, and then our food coloring. Making this up, if this is a real thing, let me know. So you're gonna do green, I'll do red? Okay.
So you want to turn on the oven?
Oh yeah. So we're gonna preheat the oven for 375. Okay, put it in the oven for 12 minutes. You're not cutting off my head? Or like, you're not like right here?
I'm recording.
Okay, I'm asking.
Oh, what did I have you do then?
Excuse me. Oh wait, we need scissors. Okay. So now we are ready to decorate our Christmas cookies. So we left them in the oven for 375. And we did them for like 12 minutes. Let them cool off for a little bit before we start to do this. Was there something else that we missed? Oh, so I thought that I missed an ingredient. I thought it was the second batch is ready. So I thought that I left out the baking powder, but in the video I saw, it did not mention baking powder. Excuse me, sir? Sir?
Candy cane.
That looks like a candy cane that's been licked. Where's it? You gotta push it further out.
It totally does. We're ready to try the cookies.
Alright.
You would have thought a toddler decorated these, but we're full grown adults. Okay, so which one you said you were gonna try?
Oh wait, where's the one that's more?
You're gonna try the candy cane, the one that she rolled.
Yep.
Okay.
Look at that.
Mmm.
I don't know what to think.
They're not horrible. They're like crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside. I thought they were gonna be hard.
It doesn't taste bad. It's good.
I mean, the frosting's helping a lot.
You should have a regular. That's rolled. It's like
It's good. It's not too sweet.
mm.
It's actually good.
I'm gonna put some more icing.
You don't like it?
No, look, it did good.
Well, thank you guys for hanging out with us and making some Christmas cookies. We hope you have a happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and please subscribe down below. Bye! Merry Christmas! Happy holidays! Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
I'm enjoying the food.